Welcome back, people. This took place in Jamaica today. It's like a river in Harbour View. Everywhere is flood. This is the video of the flood in Harbour View. Watch.
Today is the 25th of September. This is Harbour View. I live at 1 Harbour Drive. We've complained about the gully and the debris in the gully. Now, no vehicles can pass to the airport, as I have said, which was televised on TVJ, with Harbour View residents having problems with our walls being down and our back walls perhaps being torn down, more people having lose their walls. And now, as you can see, this is the main road. This is the road in Harbour View that leads to the airport that vehicles will have to travel on. Harbour View residents will not be able. And that is the gully. That is the water that you see moving forward. It is coming out of the gully from the back of Harbour Drive, homes, right out of the gully.
That is in Harbour View earlier today. And I'm going to show you a next footage of another flood in Jamaica at Spanish Town. Watch out, watch out. Watch it. Be a video of him. Watch out, watch out. Watch out, we have. Watch out. I want them to jump out and one back up there, so. And not only that, this took place at UWI today. Boy washed away by floodwaters in Augustown, St. Andrew today. A young boy was washed away by floodwaters in Augustown, St. Andrew this afternoon. Residents and the police have launched a search. It is reported that the boy was among persons walking across a structure above a culvert when it was discovered that he was missing. Jano. So that's it, people. It's just a small update. Thanks for watching.
Rock River, downtown. Look at the town. Down the street now. I feel pretty like a wall. Flood out. See the river running. Close is bad. Alright, if you like going in the water, you're going in the river. Right now, I'm going to stick.
That stinking, the smell, you know.
Come on.
You know, come down here, come.
No, don't it. This is Clarendon, Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Limal District. River. This is what we used to. You don't see this in about 300 years.